The next thing that I want to touch on is the FAQs section. The FAQs section you'll find in your services canvas, site canvas, or pages. You'll scroll down here if we just have a look here. So we have this. Okay, so there's two options that you can have for your FAQ section. You can have these very fancy accordion elements, or you can have this, which is a very simple way of doing it. Okay, I'm just going to click on the three dots and I'm going to make it visible for mobile and PC. And as you can see here, it's just text that you can change and add. Okay, but if you don't want to use this, then you would be using the accordion section. So what we have done here, we've given you 6 options that you can put your FAQs into. But let's say you have 7. All right, so let's just explain what's going on here. Okay, each and every question and answer is actually a canvas. Okay, so just as this section here is a canvas, okay, these are all mini canvases. Okay, mini canvases with scroll action. With actions. Okay, where are we seeing these actions? So basically, we're just telling these little icons, they click actions and they need to open or close things. Okay, so how do I add an extra one? What we're going to do is we're just going to go down here to question 6. Okay, we're going to click on the 3 dots and we're going to say duplicate. Okay, and then we're going to say our answer number 6. Okay, we're going to click on the 3 dots and we're going to say duplicate. Okay, I'm going to drag this over here because we can see it's a duplication, and I'm going to just put it above the answer 6. Okay, so how do I just need to change these now. Okay, so Q6, I want it to become question 7. Okay, I'm going to save that. And then answer 6.61, we're going to change that to answer 7. Right. Okay. So just so that we know what's going on, if I have any more ideas, what do I do? Okay. And then I'm just going to say, get in touch with me. Okay, so just so we know what's going on here, we can see the differences. Right, now, the problem is that, let's quickly have a look here. We need to change some actions. We need to just say that certain things need to open and certain things need to close. See, it can start getting a little bit technical. So, but when I click that, nothing's happening. You see, it's opened up this one. Have a look here. Okay, that's because this plus sign is set to activate this over here. Okay, and what we need to do here for this section over here, okay, we need to say that in the queue, the question, okay, you won't see it now, but there is a plus, okay. And what we need to do for this click action, I just want to see something here. Okay, so if we just have a look at what does this minus icon do, we've added a click action, okay, that it hides the canvas. Okay, so it hides, we need to choose the canvas that it hides. Okay, so this one is set to a 6. What we need to do, okay, for this minus is add a 7. Okay, now we need to activate it that when I click on the plus sign, okay, on here, okay, you won't see it now, but it's there. I want it to close other things and open this. So let's do that. So we just click on here, okay, on the text, because the text goes right over our icon and across here. And then we look at the link actions and we see that by clicking this, it's closing answer 1, answer 5, answer 4, answer 3, answer 2, answer 6. All right. Now we need to make sure that it also this one shows the canvas answer 6. So we want it to show canvas answer 7, okay? And we just want to add another one here to hide canvas 6, answer 6. So what we have is we have all the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so let's see what we've done here. Let's go to our preview. Let's quickly go down here. Okay, so we've got 7 here. We just run through them. These are closing and opening. Even if I open this one, that one closes. Let's have a look here. It's opening, okay? And if I open up here, it's not closing. And why is that happening? That's happening because we haven't set every single one to close answer number 7. So as you can see here, we need to go back and we need to add to close number 7 on each and every single one of these. Okay, so let's start up here. Okay, we're going to click on the text and we're going to add hard canvas A7, right? And we're just going to go through each and every single one and we're going to say hard canvas A7. Okay, so I'm just going to do the first 3 just for showing purposes. Otherwise, we're going to waste too much time here. All right, so we're going to scroll down here again. We're going to open up this one, okay? And if I click on this one, it closes. Open this one, it closes. Okay, so if you just carry on and copying that, so it's a lengthy process. So, but you'll get the hang of it if you just do one and then you run through. But yes, there is no other way to doing it. It is a long way. So if you don't feel like doing that, perhaps running through that whole, it's a bit of a technical thing and there's so many things that you need to open and close and stuff like that. I would just suggest using the simple facts hidden section over here. Okay, so that's how to add a FAQs section that opens and closes.